Hi everyone. So in this video, you can see that how you can score 25 or 26 marks out of 80 marks in your next exam 2021 for the subject General Mathematics of Sheba Board. So now analyzing all these three papers, I have come to the conclusion that the chapters Trigonometry, Application of Trigonometry, Construction, Statistics and Probability, these five chapters, if you can do these five chapters very thoroughly and in a detailed manner, plus the other left out 10 chapters, there are 15 chapters in total, and the other 10 chapters just the basics for 1 marks question, then you can easily solve the questions and score 25-26 marks in just 1 hour at the blink of an eye. So in this way, how I would like to mention that, how in the sense, in the first section 10 questions carry 1 marks each, and from all the chapters 1 marks is mandatory. A 1 marks question comes from every chapter, and these are very basics from every chapter. So not going to the details, if you just know the basics of every 15 chapters, then easily you can solve the 1 marks question. And 1 marks is very scoring, just the to the point answer. You have to write the to the point answer or on the formula based like that type of question. Second, coming to the second part, which carries 2 marks question. So in the 2 marks question, 4 marks is sure for all of you if you do the chapter probability and if you do the chapter trigonometry, because from these two chapters, 1 questions each carrying 2 marks will come for sure, because in the last 3 years this pattern is being followed. Then 14 marks, you have scored 14 marks. Coming to this section, D, that is the questions carrying 4 marks, there 2 questions from 2 chapters is must, one from construction and the other from application of trigonometry. This 8 marks will be fixed for you if you do these 2 chapters very thoroughly. So thoroughly in the sense, construction is just the rules and methods, and application of trigonometry and trigonometry are related to each other. So now you have scored 14 plus 8. How much it is? It is 22 marks. Now coming to the last section, that is section E, there are 2 questions generally in all these 3 years, and these 2 questions, each question is carrying 5 marks, but 1 question is mandatory or fixed from the chapter statistics. It's a must. So if you do the chapter statistics, 5 marks is sure for all of you guys. So now 22 plus 5 is 27. So in this way, if you can study only the 5 chapters and the other chapters in a very basic manner, then you can score 27 marks out of 80 very easily, and also in just 1 hour, because out of 100, 40 is the pass marks, and out of 80, if you can score 27, the other marks are generally provided by the school, that is the 20 marks. So I have just provided the information just for scoring the pass mark for the next year 2021, following or analyzing the 3 years question paper. And these are some of the guaranteed questions from some of these 5 chapters which are following the trend for the last 3 years. And I hope that whatever I have mentioned today in this video, this pattern will be followed in the next year's board exam for the Sheba Board General Mathematics. So now in the next video, I would also like to mention how you can score in a better way, and after doing the other chapters in a detailed way. So I hope you have liked this video, and this will help out to score 27 marks to all of you guys. So thank you. Please do like, share and comment my video so that I can provide some more videos in the future. So thank you.